Rosetta, I don't think she realized her behavior is ruining our friendship.
Honey, she knows. She just doesn't care.
Comment, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell.
Lately, I had to let people know that people know exactly what they are doing, but they just don't care. Literally, there was 2 separate occasions where I had to say the same exact thing to 2 different people about 2 different scenarios. One scenario was about someone was letting me know how what they and their relative was going through was affecting their relationship. That that their relative was just behaving a way that they didn't like, and the person was like, I just feel like they don't understand, they're ruining the relationship. And I'm like, yes they do, especially since you've expressed that their behaviors, you don't like it makes you upset, it makes you feel a way. And the fact that you've expressed it and they still continue to do it, no, they know, they don't care. And the other instance was when somebody else was saying, like, they're always there for their friends when their friend is having problems, and they're always a listening ear. And then now they have their problems and their friends aren't listening. And the person's like, it's like they don't care. And I'm like, oh no, they don't care, because who are you to be having life problems? You can't have life problems. You're my shoulder to cry on. So how dare you? It's me. Only me can have my life problems, and you must listen to me. And there are a lot of people like that. You have to realize some people really only keep you around because it's beneficial to them. A lot of people truly, not a lot, let me take that back. Some people truly do not care. Some people truly do not care about how your day is going. Some people truly do not care about how you feel. And I've realized that. Like, I've had people only text me or whatever, like, oh, how are you? So they can straight get into themselves. Like, they wouldn't even really pay attention or engage with how I feel. It's just so they can get straight into it. And it's because they don't care. We truly have to stop trying to give people the benefit of the doubt, thinking that they don't know what they're doing. Their actions aren't hurt. They don't know that their actions are hurting us or bothering us. They know. They do not care. And that's when you just have to put your foot down and say enough is enough. Because a lot of the times, it's people you care about, and you say like, oh, I don't think they know. It's because, 1, you wouldn't do that to them. And 2, it's like, well, I care about this person, so how can they be doing this to me, baby? They're doing it because they don't care. Sometimes people just be hating, but I'm not even going to get into that. So my message to you today is really understand that people wholeheartedly understand what they're doing. If it's something that is hurting you and offensive, they know what they are doing to you and they don't care. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. And guys, guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time. Bye.